Today, we're delving into the world of precision shooting, focusing on ammunition that delivers unparalleled accuracy. We'll be exploring 5 of the best factory-loaded ammo options across different calibers, from tiny 22 LR cartridges to hefty long-range magnums, explaining what makes each so accurate and the types of firearms or shooting disciplines they excel in. Let's get started. Number 1, Eley Tenex 22 LR. This British-made ammo has dominated small-bore competition for decades. In fact, 14 of 18 Olympic medals in London 2012 were won using Eley Tenex, and every world champion in 2014 used selected Tenex. The secret to Tenex's precision lies in Eley's meticulous manufacturing process. Each 40-grain lead bullet has a distinctive flat nose profile and is paired with ultra-consistent powder charges and primer compound. This yields extremely uniform muzzle velocities, around 1,040 feet per second, which keeps the bullet subsonic for stability. The result is extraordinarily tight groups and minimal flyers. Eley's engineers pioneered innovations like the flat-nose projectile and precise priming methods to eliminate inconsistencies. In practical terms, that means when you chamber Eley Tenex in a quality target rifle, such as an Anschutz or Walther match rifle, or a competition pistol, you can expect virtually single-hole accuracy at 50 yards. It's no surprise that Eley Tenex has become the go-to choice of top Olympic and world shooters who demand the very best from their rimfire ammo. Number 2, Black Hills 5.56 NATO 77-grain OTM MK262 Mod 1. When it comes to wringing out maximum accuracy from an AR-15 or other 5.56mm rifle, Black Hills Ammunition's 77-grain open-tip match load, often known by its military designation MK262 Mod 1, is legendary. In fact, this exact ammo has been referred to as the most accurate mass-produced 5.56 NATO ammunition ever type classified and issued by the U.S. military. Originally developed at the request of the U.S. Navy for an extended-range precision round, MK262 Mod 1 proved so successful that it's used in designated marksmen and special forces rifles for its incredible downrange performance. The Black Hills 77-grain OTM round owes its accuracy to several factors. It uses a Sierra Match King bullet, 77 grains with a boat tail and open-tip match design, providing excellent ballistic coefficients for stability and less wind drift. Black Hills then loads these bullets into premium brass with meticulous powder charges and primers. The quality control is second to none. Every lot must pass a rigorous accuracy test of 10-shot groups at 300 yards, averaging under 2 inches, essentially .64 MOA, before it's accepted for shipment. This kind of uncompromising standard is virtually unheard of in factory ammo and ensures you get true match-grade precision. In practical terms, shooters report sub-MOA groups routinely with MK262 and good rifles. Barrel length and twist rate are important. A fast 1 to 7 inch twist, 18 to 20 inch barrel is ideal to stabilize the heavy 77-grain bullet. Pair this ammo with a quality AR, like an SPR or any accurized AR-15, or a bolt-action 223 precision rifle, and you have a combination capable of amazingly precise shots out to 600 yards and beyond. Additionally, the bullet's design keeps it effective. It was built not for terminal expansion but for long-range accuracy, and it delivers flat trajectories and consistent hits on small targets. Whether in competition or tactical scenarios, Black Hills 77-grain OTM has proven itself as a surgical tool for marksmen, offering battlefield-proven reliability with bench rest-worth accuracy. It's not the cheapest round, but it's certainly one of the best if hitting the target dead-on is your ultimate goal. Number 3, Hornady 6.5 Creedmoor 147-grain ELD Match. Hornady's 6.5 Creedmoor ELD Match ammunition has quickly become a favorite among long-range shooters and PRS, Precision Rifle Series, competitors for its outstanding accuracy. The 6.5 Creedmoor cartridge itself was designed for accuracy at distance, and Hornady's match load takes full advantage of it. This round is loaded with Hornady's 147-grain ELD, extremely low-drag match bullet, a design exquisitely designed for long-range accuracy, such that you'll be hard-pressed to find anything better in factory match ammo. The ELD match bullet features a secant ogive profile, boat-tail base, and Hornady's patented heat shield polymer tip. These elements combine to give it a super high ballistic coefficient and prevent the tip from deforming due to aerodynamic heating. In plain terms, the bullet slices through the air with less drag, retains velocity, and resists wind drift exceptionally well. The result of this advanced bullet design is a very flat trajectory and superb consistency shot to shot. When 0 to 200 yards, the 147 grain ELD-M has minimal drop at 400 plus yards and remains supersonic well past 1,000 yards, all crucial for maintaining accuracy at long range. Hornady's careful assembly, quality brass, precise powder charges, match primers ensures very low velocity variation, which translates to tight groups downrange. Shooters often report sub-half MOA performance from this factory load in rifles that favor it. It's not uncommon to see 5-shot clusters that could be covered with a dime at 100 yards, and reliable steel hits at 1,000 plus yards using Hornady's ELD Match. This ammo truly shines in modern bolt-action rifles like the Ruger Precision Rifle, Savage 110 Elite Precision, or any custom 6.5 Creedmoor build, as well as gas guns designed for accuracy. Hornady's 147 grain ELD Match was even selected by other manufacturers to load in their ammo lines because of its reputation. Other ammo makers often use ELD-M bullets due to their ridiculously accurate performance. If you like the video so far, please hit like and subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. Number 4, Federal Gold Medal Match 308 Win 160 grain BTHP, the classic gold standard. Federal's Gold Medal Match line in 308 Winchester has long been the benchmark of match-grade factory rifle ammo, trusted by competitive shooters, law enforcement, and military snipers alike. This load typically uses a 168 grain Sierra Match King BTHP boat-tail hollow point bullet, although a 175 grain version is also offered for extended range. The 168 grain Sierra Match King has a storied history of winning matches. It's a bullet renowned for its near-perfect concentric jacket and form-fitted lead core, which yield outstanding in-flight stability. Federal's loading of it is done with extreme care. As a result, Gold Medal Match 308 offers exceptional consistency and pinpoint accuracy, even earning a reputation as the best-performing ammo across all of my precision rifles in the eyes of many shooters. What makes Federal GMM so accurate? Starts with premium components. Federal uses specially selected bench rest quality gold medal primers, extremely uniform brass cases, and clean, temperature-stable propellants. The assembly process focuses on minimizing runout and variance. This ammo is known for very low standard deviation in muzzle velocity, which means each round behaves like the last. According to Federal, the result is repeatable velocities and tight standard deviations, translating directly to tighter groups on target. Simply put, the consistency of this ammo yields the kind of tiny clusters shooters dream of. In fact, one description notes that everything works in harmony so you can focus on your technique rather than worrying about ammo variability. On the range, Federal 168 grain match will easily shoot sub-MOA groups, often 0.5 MOA or better from a capable rifle. It's not unusual to see 5 shots in a ragged hole at 100 yards. Many sniper schools and law enforcement agencies use this or the 175 grain variant for its reliable performance. Shooters with Remington 700 variants, Savage rifles, or semi-auto 308 platforms like the AR-10 have found Gold Medal Match to be a top choice when they want to squeeze out maximum precision without hand loading. As one ammo review humorously put it, who better to load a tack-driving bullet than Federal? The combination of Sierra's bullet and Federal's loading produces bench rest level precision thanks to matched bullets, gold medal primers, and specially formulated powder for consistency. For anyone competing in high power or F-class, or just punching paper at long range, Federal GMM 308 has been the gold standard for years. It's the ammo you grab when you need to know that the only limits to accuracy are the shooter and the rifle, not the ammunition. Number 5, Lapua 338 Lapua Magnum 250 grain Scenar, extreme long-range accuracy. The ultimate in long-range accuracy from a factory round, it's hard to beat Lapua's own 338 Lapua Magnum ammunition loaded with their 250 grain Scenar open-tip match bullet. The 338 Lapua Magnum cartridge was originally developed for military snipers to engage targets well beyond 1,000 meters, and Lapua, the Finnish company that co-designed the cartridge, has perfected it for precision. Lapua's name is virtually synonymous with quality, accuracy, and performance in the ammo world, and this match load shows why. 250 grain Scenar OTM is an extremely high BC bullet that Lapua engineers to rigorous standards. In fact, the Scenar design has a resume chock full of world records in various long-range competitions. This is truly a round for the precise shooter seeking hits at a mile or more. What sets Lapua's 338 match ammo apart is the level of precision in manufacturing. Lapua uses premium brass. Their brass cases are considered among the best and are favored by handloaders. Temperature-insensitive powders and bullets that are virtually handmade in consistency. The Scenar's bullet's sleek boat tail and ogive give it superior flight characteristics, retaining energy and resisting wind drift exceptionally well. Muzzle velocity is about 2,950 feet per second with the 250 grain from a 26-inch barrel, and the projectile stays supersonic far past 1,500 yards. This means a flatter trajectory and more predictable drop wind behavior at extreme range. In practical terms, shooters using Lapua 338 ammo in top-tier rifles like an Accuracy International AXMC, Seiko TRG-42, and Barrett MRAD often achieve near one-hole groups at 100 yards and sub-MOA or better at long distance. Phenomenal performance for such a powerful cartridge. It's not unusual to hear of consistent hits on 10-inch plates at 1,200 plus yards with this ammunition when the rifle and shooter are up to the task. Lapua's 338 Scenar round is built for competition and military use, where first-round hits at long range are paramount. As one description notes, Lapua's high-end 338 cartridge is crowned with a standard-bearing Scenar projectile, and it's earned its reputation by setting records. The consistency from round to round gives shooters the confidence that if they do their part, the bullet will land exactly where expected, even at extreme distances. Of course, this kind of performance comes at a cost. 338 Lapua ammo is very expensive, and it delivers stout recoil. It's not for casual plinking, but for those engaged in ELR, extreme long-range shooting, or any application where hitting a small distant target is non-negotiable, Lapua's Scenar-loaded ammo is arguably the best in the world. It encapsulates the idea of buying accuracy out of the box. When you absolutely need that 1.5-mile shot to count, this is the round you want chambered. Lapua's commitment to quality means this ammo can unlock the full potential of your 338 Lapua Magnum rifle, making consistent 1 MOA or smaller groups at ranges previously thought impossible by standard cartridges.